May I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore?
I'm Sundareshan. I work for CGI. I stay in Sarjapur Road Golden Garden Apartments. It's adjacent to the Spencer's retail shop and opposite to Springfield Apartments. And it's a bit close by this play school.
How old is your child?
Vidya Bharati is 10 years old and she's studying in 4th standard in another school, and she comes to Shanti Juniors for play time and daycare of 3 hours a day.
What kind of classes were you looking for her?
Vidya is a very active child. She always wanted to learn new things apart from her regular education. So the practical reason for her put her in daycare is to learn additional skills like handwriting, dancing, music, singing, as well as the musical instruments. And so that's the primary reason I wanted to put her into these daycare centers, which takes additional care and also good habits. All those things are taken care in this particular day school. That's the
Which other preschools did you consider before Shanti Juniors Sarjapur Road?
I have considered 3 schools. I scaled Shanti Juniors in the top, and the other 2 are Little Ellie and Kidsley. The primary reason I selected for Shanti Juniors is the GL my child has gone with the teachers. So they take care the child as their own child. So that's the primary reason, and the child gels with them very quickly. So the way in which they take care about the food requirements, the cleanliness, there are 2 important aspects we consider in Vidya's case, because she is a very special child. So she was a preterm baby and she requires additional care in case of any need. She is a very tiny girl. She has not grown very tall and very stout girl. She wants to defend and all she is not able to. So these teachers, I find it very cooperative, and she understands her needs and she takes care of them, and there's a very good care, especially when she wants to sleep so there is no hard and fast rule here. So they give the child the flexibility and the freedom to learn things, which creates a good environment for the child to gather and know and knowledge and grow.
Which one did you consider and why?
The school?
Yes.
Yeah, see, this is the primary reason I told you already. The cleanliness, the Shanti Juniors is considered for 2 important aspects, the cleanliness and the food. The food is cooked here and then served fresh. So no pre-cooked food. The education here is not knowledge which you gain, the healthy habits, and primarily they give the child the freedom and they gel with the children very quickly.
Anything that could be better in Shanti Juniors?
Shanti Juniors, they have to actually grow the school much larger, so that will give a very good interactive learning, and probably the verticals of different age group children to be the same class, so that the learning and teaching starts to go together. So Vidya, practically she was in a Montessori school where the different age group children are educated together. So it not only learning the knowledge from the books, it also from cross-platform learning. So the teaching happens from student to student, not only teacher to student. So that kind of education will be very effective, and she had already undergone that for 3 years of her first school, and she had now owned a regular educational curriculum which is in India. But the way in which she grows is quite different. She wants to learn by interacting and gathering knowledge from our environment and surroundings.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you like to recommend Shanti Juniors Sarjapur Road to other parents? 1 is for minimum and 5 is for maximum.
I will rate 4. Why? The primary reason for that, the one factor is the number of children should be grow more, and the different age group children should be put together, because Vidya comes here only for 3 hours. So the daycare center must have a less volume of children. So they have interactively, they conduct only annually, they conduct one or 2 sessions for all the parents to meet and all those things. So probably 4 is a better choice I will have. Still there are some scope for improvement.